If you had to pick one industry where AI, robotics, and data could literally save lives, it would be healthcare. And right now, we're seeing a wave of innovation that's not just theoretical, it's in hospital, labs, and insurance platforms today. These aren't companies promising the future, they're already building it. In this video, we're diving into three breakthrough healthcare companies that are using technology to change how we treat cancer, how we transport organs, and even how we buy healthcare insurance. This is healthcare reimagined. And if you're a long term investor or just curious about where medicine is headed, these names are worth your full attention. First is Tempus AI, the AI brain behind precision medicine. Tempus AI is doing something few companies in healthcare have managed, bringing artificial intelligence to the front lines of personalized treatment. They've built one of the world's largest structured clinical datasets, over 6 million patient records across genomics, imaging, and electronic health data. That massive dataset lets AI models help doctors tailor cancer treatment plans with incredible precision. And it's not just hype. In Q1 2025, Tempus saw revenue jump 75% year over year to over $255 million. And they're just inching closer to profitability. With adjusted EBITDA expected to turn positive this year, that is rare for a company still early in its public market journey. What's even more exciting is the scale of its partnerships. They recently signed a $200 million multi-year deal with AstraZeneca Pathos to develop a cutting-edge foundation model for oncology. They're also working with Northwestern on AI-driven diagnostics on Alzheimer's, showing that the reach extends far beyond cancer. Tempest isn't trying to just be another diagnostic company. Their goal is to become central platform for medical data and AI in healthcare, a kind of Google for doctors, powering drug development, clinical trials, and real-time treatment decisions. And right now, they're starting to look like one of the most serious players in that space. For number 2, we have TransMedics, changing how we transplant organs. Organ transplants are one of medicine's most miraculous procedures, but for decades, they've relied on outdated logistics. TransMedics is rewriting that playbook with Organ Care System, a portable machine that keeps hearts, lungs, and livers alive outside human body, warm, oxygenated, functioning, not packed in ice. This innovation is already saving lives. In Q1 2025, TransMedics grew revenue by 48% year over year, earning over $143 million, and posted a net income of $25.7 million. They're now profitable, sitting on $310 million cash and expanding fast. Their tech is now used in over 75 transplant centers across the US, and in 2024 alone, they supported more than 3,700 organ procedures, a 58% increase from the year before. Liver transplant revenue is exploding, up 63% year over year, and demand is only growing. What makes this so important is that Organ Care System isn't just another product. It's redefining what is possible in organ transportation. It extends the window for transplants, improves outcomes, and expands access for patients who might have missed their chance under the old system. TransMedics is doing what few medical devices companies can, making a real impact at scale while running a strong business behind the scenes. For number 3, we have OSCR Health, rebuilding health insurance for digital age. Let's face it, the US health insurance system is confusing, expensive, and outdated. OSCR Health wants to change that by offering tech-first, consumer-focused insurance experience. Their app makes it easy to manage benefits, schedule virtual visits, estimate costs, and get support all in one place. And the numbers show it's working. In Q1 2025, OSCR reported over $3 billion in revenue and a net profit of $275 million, a major turnaround from previous years. Membership is growing fast too, now topping 2 million users, up 45% from last year. What sets them apart is the AI-driven simplicity. The app connects members to in-network doctors, predicts out-of-pocket costs, and handles care coordination behind the scenes. They've brought real tech innovation to one of the least tech-savvy parts of healthcare. Now with plans to expand into 150 more US metro areas by 2027, OSCR is laying the groundwork to become a major national player. And with profitability in sight, they're proving that health insurance can be both smart and sustainable. These three companies, Tempus AI, TransMedics, and OSCR Health, aren't just riding the wave of healthcare innovation, they are helping shape it. Whether it's using AI to personalize treatment, extending the life of donated organs, or making insurance finally make sense, this is the future of medicine unfolding right now. And as investors, staying ahead of these trends isn't just smart, it could be game-changing. The healthcare revolution is here, and the companies leading it are solving problems that actually matter. If you found value in this breakdown, give the video a like so more people can see it. And if you want more deep dives into companies driving innovation, not hype, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let me know in the comments which of these companies are you most excited about, and what healthcare stocks do you think should have made the list. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.